As a leader, you can communicate with effectiveness and grace when you deliver information with a person's natural wiring in mind. Your human wiring or your natural wiring is something you're born with, and it's distinct from behaviors. It also stays with you your entire lifetime. Now, as you know, if you've been part of my community, your wiring determines how you best create ideas, how you process thought, the environment in which you best thrive, and the amount of information and certainty that you need for effective decision making. When somebody working with someone who processes their thoughts verbally, or as we informally refer to them as a verbal or external thinker, they're naturally wired higher on the communication range. So they have a high social drive that seeks to connect with others. And they verbalize to crystallize their thoughts. They bounce ideas off of others to formalize and to finalize their thoughts. So this process of casting out their thoughts aloud and judging the reaction received externally from others helps them to develop their idea. But when no or little response is received from another person, this internally motivates that verbal thinker to repeat themselves or to restate the idea to ensure that their concept is fully understood. Now, as a leader, you may find that they also come back to the same issue over and over, especially if you haven't verbally acknowledged their idea or concept. When working with a person who is higher on the communication range and you need to say no to something that's really significant or important to them, like their promotion, this can be a real hit to their self-confidence. Why? Their self-confidence is derived externally. So how you frame the news can make a difference in how it's received. So they innately like to give and receive help. So when saying no, remember to let them know how you will help them get those necessary skills that they might be missing so they can learn the added skills to turn that no into a yes. If you're inspired to become masterful at understanding your wiring and that of others, I invite you to join us for Wired to Win, Your Path to Passion, Purpose, and Prosperity, March 31st and April 1st. You will leave this class an effective communicator, a skilled leader, and improved listener. More information on the link below. I'm Lisa Menini. Until next week, create a great life. Bye now.